Hi, this is Kalyan Kumar. I'm the CTO for HCL. We are a global IT and engineering services company. We operate in about 30 countries and we're about 7 billion revenues. Dynatrace is a very strategic partner for us in the overall dry ice ecosystem. So dry ice is our HCL's autonomics and orchestration platform, which powers the foundation of what we call the 21st century enterprise. HCL operates into a model which we call as mode 1, 2, 3. In mode 1 is all our core services, which is infrastructure, applications and SI, business services, and engineering and R&D services. And mode 2 is all the overlay enabling services, which is digital, Internet of Things, powered by cloud and cybersecurity. And mode 3 is our products and platforms business. Dry ice is the common connector which connects all our core services and all our growth services. It's the platform which allows you to synchronize autonomics and orchestration into one common platform. Our strategy is to use AI, robotics, machine learning and those capabilities natively into the platform, but we've taken an ecosystem approach. We are not building everything on our own. We are actually building an ecosystem of partners, and we are building the middleware or the broker which connects all these different systems. Dynatrace is a very, very critical part in this whole ecosystem as part of two of the offerings. So one is it's part of our dry ice Unimon, which is a unified monitoring stack, which is designed for cloud native customers. We've been deploying it for over a year. We've got some interesting customers like Manchester United, where we're starting to deploy the stack. And the second aspect is the full stack Dynatrace Platform, which is helping customers drive better performance in the application performance management space, and also provide better insights into the digital experience and how experience is helping drive better digital outcomes. So if you really see the big shift between 20th century and 21st century, how applications are being built. Apps were always built for front office, middle office, or back office. Apps today are built for stateless. You have persona-based applications. I, as a user, could connect to a front office, middle office, or a back office application. So hence, your app stacks have become highly diverse. The second is the applications are delivered in a global scale, distributed manner, in a cloud powered in a hybrid environment. The third is the dependencies across multiple third parties, APIs, ecosystems, SaaS services becomes very, very complex, which leads to a situation that human-driven IT operations is next to impossible. A human cannot figure out what's happening, what are the interfaces, which systems, which user, across which geography. So hence, bringing some level of artificial intelligence, or I use the word augmented intelligence, which is about how do you augment the human intelligence in a far better way by bringing machine learning, natural language processing, neural nets kind of capability into the core monitoring platform, and let the system handle the complexity and provide an outcome to the consumer. The consumer asks, is my app running fine? Is the performance good? Is my experience from an end user perspective good? Am I in a risk of facing some potential issues based on some predictive analytics? That's what people really want. They don't want to know the nuts and bolts of what's happening. They want to know the outcome. And I think in an abstracted world, you need to abstract even more. You don't need to get into the nuts and bolts, because these systems are designed to handle and crunch massive amounts of data. I think humans love to have conversations. They don't like to interact with GUI systems or touch systems. I think they love to have conversations. And I think more and more it's about bringing contextual information to the consumer of that service. So if you are business unit head for a retailer or a bank, you just need to worry about, hey, is my experience good? Is my system's service up and running? If you are running application there, hey, you need to know some more different metrics. If you are in production support, you need to know some more different metrics. But I think in this today busy world with so many systems, so many touch points, if you have an intelligent system which can process the information, figure out what's happening, leveraging our AI capabilities, and you get a very natural language kind of an interface to be able to converse and go and ask a question, get a response, or proactively get a report every hour or every end of day saying, hey, how are my systems performing? They're all fine. I think that's where we're going to use, I think we should use technology to simplify human lives and simplify the clutter. And I think Davis is a good first step, at least for the command center, production support, and the experience measurement aspects for a business.